First question, a combination of amplitude shift keying and phase shift keying is known as quadrature amplitude modulation, QAM. So the answer here is A. Second question, which of the following is or digital to analog modulation? PSK and differential PSK, both are digital to analog modulation. So here the answer is D, both A and C. Next question, in a BBSK signal detector, the local oscillator has a fixed phase error of 20 dB. This phase error declines the SNR at the output by the factor of. So, the phase error, the formula here is cos square of that fixed phase error. So, here the fixed phase error is 20 degree. So, the answer here is cos square of 20 degree. So, C is the answer. Next question. In binary data transmission, differential PSK is preferred to PSK because in differential PSK there is no need for local oscillator. So the coherent carrier is not required to be generated at the receiver side. So answer here is A. Fifth question. A bit stream 01001 is differentially encoded using delay and XOR scheme for DPSK transmission. Assuming the reference bit as a 1 and assigning phases of 0 and pi for 1 and 0 respectively. In the encoded sequence, the transmitted phase sequence become, and they are mentioned this is delay and XOR scheme, and reference bit is 1, and this is a sequence, input sequence, and delay and XOR mean this reference bit is XOR with this, and what is the result? That is transmitter. So 1 0 XOR value is 1, again 1 is XOR with this 1, and answer 1 1 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 again 0 1 1. So these are the encoded delay and XOR based encoded bits, and they are giving 1, that is 0 degree and 0 pi. So assigning the value 0 pi 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 and 0. So here the answer is B, 0 pi 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 0. Sixth question, the bit rate of the digital communication system is R kilobit per second. The modulation used is 32 QAM. The minimum bandwidth required for ISI free transmission is, and the bandwidth, the formula is RB, signaling rate, and this one is signaling rate. Signaling rate divided by 2, and you have to find this RB value. That RB is equal to bit rate divided by n value. Okay, so from this we can find n. 2 power n, that is equal to 32. So from that we can find n is equal to 5. So here we got n, and here they mentioning that is R kilobits per second. So R is equal to R here, that is bit rate. So RB become R divided by n. The value R is similar, R here divided by 5 kilobits per second. So we have now RB value. From that we can find the bandwidth. So bandwidth, that is equal to R divided by 5 into 2. From that formula, RB is R divided by 2 or R divided by 5 and into 2, that becomes 10. So the bandwidth here is R divided by 10 kilohertz. So here the answer is R divided by 10 kilohertz. C is the answer. Seventh question, from the below figure find the type of modulation, and the figure. From that figure, the answer here is binary phase shift keying. BBSK is the answer, because in BBSK we transmit one bit at a time, and each bit we have a, for each zeros and ones transition we have a phase difference. So the answer here is BBSK. A is the answer. Eighth question, find the bandwidth for a signal transmitting at 12 megabits per second for QPSK. The value of D is equal to 0. So QPSK we can transmit 2 bit at a time. So in QPSK we can transmit 2 bit at a time. So the n value here is 2. And baud rate, we know the formula, that is R divided by n. N here is 2. So R divided by 2, and R here is 12 megabits per second. So 12 divided by 2, that is equal to 6 megabits per second, and this is RB. And in case of D is equal to 0, RB is equal to bandwidth. So here the RB baud rate is 6 megabits per second. So bandwidth is equal to 6 megahertz. So here the answer is C, 6 megahertz. Ninth question, dash technique does not need a reference oscillator. Differential PSK. Differential PSK does not need reference oscillator. So here the answer is D. 10th question, from the below figure find the type of modulation. And this is QPSK, and we can transmit 2 bit at a time. And from seeing that figure, we can define that diagram is a QPSK modulated waveform diagram. So answer here is A.